kini kor komputer kiba internet bador badar ni di hajan jongpi hangne hadukan jongi hanong po town shopping complex Harishan Enterprise haka kamera kaba shispa iway refurbish laptop but desktop punhau number pra iway layar not sau pra sansau lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar drunyo
Kaway na kijaka shlam ay jinghikai ya kabala tep kerteng ke school St. Francis di ASSISI Secondary School kabada nakisnong UMLING Hariboy District menta ka singi ka arpotrik ulber arjar pusan kala yo ban pli perda ya ke sports meet haka tika school bat kabala bu ban long haki ar singi LYNTER kata menta ka singi bala syai ka singi haka ni singi sedang lalaban saki bagi kena puli ke ni ke school kilami syakmat bani menta haki jingilek kai beper Hakatika program sports meet, kinong penyai ketika school kila khot subhayu ba Marshall Dingdo, ubade Vice President keseng FKJGP, North Khasi Hill District kum kongsan, bat kum kadak jong kajing sedang, la penkiu ya kelama jong school, hakanika sengi, lai don lang ke sister Jis Jos, kabade ke principal ke school, ke sister kinong ikai, ki kemi pa, bat ki kena school, lem bat kiwe.
First torchbearer of Fort Mashal is Mr. Dami PYNLONG.
Worthy of praise, I will follow, I will follow, I will listen, I will listen, I will love you, I will love you, all of my days, all of my days.
Please, joyfulness simply from class 8. Please clap. From class 2 we have Talimia.
You have heard the word sport. Sport in itself has different categories. Like you have seen and you are aware and you have been doing today in your life. It is a part of activities. When you take part in these different activities, it gives you immense pleasure. In terms of physical, you may say, in terms of spirit, and in terms of mentality. Therefore, keeping in mind all these three types, that we are living, we are standing, and we are made mentally, spiritually, and physically. Therefore, there should be a combination of these three when you are taking part in different activities through sport. So therefore, my dear student, while I'm seeing your dancing, your march passing, your drilling, sitting out here in the dais along with the sister, I shake my hand, my head, my legs, but I cannot dance again. My time has gone. And this is your precious time. So therefore, I would like to say, don't miss it out. Never miss it. While you get this opportunity to participate, your teachers, your beloved teacher, encourage you, inspire you to take part in different activities. Therefore, don't shy, don't feel shy. You have to take part. Once you take part in this activity, in the sport activities, it helps you. It helps you grow your mental. It helps you grow your physical, your spirit, and it boosts your health. So therefore, my time has gone. Our time has gone. So it is your time now. Therefore, again, I'm telling you, but and I'm not wrong to say also this, that this sport that you are taking part, that you will compete with each other. One day, when this three coordination, you together it, one day it will lead you into success.